If everything is a treasure, then nothing's a treasure. I mean, there have to be certain things in your home and in your life that feel really, really, really important. More important than some of those other things. That is a decluttering strategy that I really like to encourage people to use. Look for what are the treasures. What are the treasures? Not what can I get rid of? We'll get to that. But what is it that you treasure in that collection? Set those aside. Then there may be a category of things that you don't actually treasure, but that you use. All right, so you can keep a few of those too. Then look at the rest. And that should help to put that in perspective. Start with the treasures. It's too negative to start with what can I get rid of.